Okay, are you trees done dumping pollen? Please stop. Hey everyone, how's it going? So, at the end of spring, everyone's already done their shed videos. Not that shed. This shed, the mining shed. They've all done their videos, they've all complained about the pollen. I want to give you my take, the reasons why I do what I do, and how I do a quick cleaning. Now this video is not meant to bash or belittle any other miner or YouTuber that has a shed style. This is just my opinions and my rationale of how I handle all the spring and summer pollen, the fall mess and everything else. So you've seen my shed before and the filters I got. Now these push throughs that I have to let the air in, I've painted them to match the front so they look nice. But I've cut out the back louvers. Now that opened it up to allow a lot of rain to come through. So I put these screens in here. It's thick, but it's not at the same time. It will stop a little bit of pollen, but it's mostly there to stop rain ingress into the shed itself, plus keep away bugs, leaves, stuff like that. It's just meant as a general barrier. You can still get a lot of airflow through this. Case in point, if we look on top of these units after spring, yeah, see? If you get the right angle of the light here, yeah, there's your Bitcoin. Oh my God, see this? Yeah, that's all tree sperm, basically. It's like, oh my God, it's everywhere. Even on top power supplies. Duino coin. I just took this out the other day, and there's still already some stuff on here. My PDUs, no, my 120 volt PDU. Yeah. Even so, to the point where, thankfully the outside is fairly clean because we had a lot of rain the last week or two. I'll wash a lot of it out. But look at the louvers from the exhaust of air coming out. Yeah, see? It's bad. So, how are we going to clean this? First off, I'm not that worried about it. Everything in here is running cool. The cards are running good. Nothing's overheating. But we are going to blow it off. And what we're going to do is get this out and drop my screwdriver at the same time. The XPOWER blower. So let me get this set up. Okay, so yeah, just a regular XPOWER blower. I'll put a link to this down in the description below if you're interested in one of these. They work wonders. It's insane. You got a low and high power on here. I'm going to attenuate the sound a little bit so this doesn't blow you guys out. But let's take a look and see what happens here. Just real quick. Just a quick blow. Now, there is still a small coating on here, but most of it, 90% of it's already gone. That's all you got to do. So I do this once every few months. I probably won't even take the Octominers actually out today and open them up and blow them out because none of the cards are overheating. It's not that bad yet. Plus, Octominer also has a little feature we've noticed. About once every 24 hours, it ramps the fans. Like most of these fans are running about 40% right now. They'll ramp up to about 100%. For 30 seconds to recalibrate and also blow out any of the extra dust. So honestly, I don't think there's a lot of dust and pollen built up inside these units yet. Probably August or so, when everything's said and done, I'll open these up and give them a good cleaning. Right now, we're just gonna blow everything off, like up here. Look at that. So much better. Oh my God, it's insane. So, especially the mini Doge miners here. Not sure if the camera caught it, but you can see the dust literally being blown out the back and going out the exhaust fan. So, let's go ahead and get this all blown down and cleaned up and wrap it up. Okay, now that that is done, let's take a quick look. I mean, even here on this hard drive, the SSD, there was a layer of green, yellow pollen sitting there. It's all gone. It's not perfectly clean, but it's clean enough. And it keeps your cards nice and cool, keeps everything from getting corroded. The amount that came out of my CPU miners, oh my God, that was insane. As you can hear in my voice, the pollen's already reacting with me. You might want to wear a respirator or something if you have allergies to pollen when you clean this up. But everything is so much better. And it literally takes 5 minutes worth of maintenance. You're not spending a ton of money on filters that you got to replace. You save money. You save your time. Literally, when August comes around and I pull all these Octominers off, an hour most. What's an hour of your time really worth? It'll take me an hour to open up all these, take the tops off, blow them out real quick, put them back together, and get them hashing again. So that's all I got for spring pollen remediation for your mining shed or your mining room, whatever. Pollen's gonna happen. Don't fight it. Just clean it up every once in a while with a quick blow there.